Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm making this video in English only because this topic is related to English, and I hope you all guys are comfortable in understanding English but not comfortable in speaking English. And exactly the same thing happened to me. I was never comfortable in speaking English, and even now my English is not that great, but still my English is very ordinary, by the way. But still, whatever things have helped me and whatever things I discover on a daily basis, or every at an every gap of time or something like that, so I basically, whatever I learn, I share all those things with you guys, right? You can see my English is not also that great. Okay, so I would really like to emphasize on one fact. If you really want to become a good speaker of English, I have made many videos on English topic because my experience with English has been very a kind of roller coaster ride. I have seen all many kinds of lows and highs related to English speaking, so I am at a stage where I can share some of the things related to English. All right, so let's come to the point. The point here is, if you really want to become a good English speaker, first and foremost important thing is you will have to practice speaking. This is something which does not have any substitute or any alternative, right? Speaking practice needs to be done by you. You cannot think like, okay, I will start consuming English, I will read newspaper, I will start watching English videos, and I will become an English speaker. You can become a person who understands English really well, who can read English really well, but as far as speaking is concerned, you will have to practice speaking. Just like if you want to become a swimmer, you will have to practice swimming. You can read books, you can get an idea, you can clear all the theory related exams and all related to swimming, but you won't be able to swim practically, right? Same goes for English. You will have to speak. Okay, so that's one point, which is the backbone of spoken English if you want to become a speaker. What I am discussing in this video is, you will have to create an environment of English. Trust me, if you create an environment of English, I'm going to talk about the points also, which will really help you and which have helped me too, which have helped me also. Environment, by environment, what I mean is that basically you will have to start consuming English in various ways. You can start reading, right? You can start watching movies, you can start watching content whichever you like suppose if you like watching sports, and also you should switch to English commentary. You can read English newspaper, books, I've covered this. And what else? You can start watching YouTube channels which speak in English. In one of my upcoming videos, I will try to suggest you some English speaking channels, English speaking YouTube channels also, and I will try to suggest you some good English speaking I'm sorry, not English speaking, English newspapers also, which you can incorporate in your daily life so that it will really help you, right? So number one thing is consumption. You will have to consume English through all these mediums, right, whichever I have discussed just now. Second thing is, try writing English. I would suggest you to write. Let me make the things simpler. I'm not asking you guys to write with a pen on a paper on daily basis. Don't do that. Try to do things simply. What I feel is that if we make things simpler, those are easily done, and those are sustainable also, right? So I hope you all watch YouTube videos on a daily basis, right? Okay, what you can do is, you can, whenever you feel like commenting on a video, you must, mark my words, you must comment in English language only, right? Don't comment in your own native language. Don't comment in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, or whichever language you are comfortable with. Don't do that. Try putting your comments, try writing your comments in English language only. It might happen your grammar will be very bad, it might happen you will have to think a lot while framing the sentences. It's completely fine, but you will have to think in English and you will have to write, because that will make you think, that will make you push your mind, force your mind in thinking English, right? And that's what you want. Once you start thinking in English, your English will get better, your spoken English will get better, to be precise, right? So start writing, and I have just told you the simplest way of writing. Try commenting, and whenever you chat on WhatsApp also, try texting in English only, right? Don't text in Hindi. And even if somebody makes fun of yours, it's completely fine. You can let them know that I am learning English. You can put a disclaimer like, there are people, and it might happen that in the beginning stage your English will be not that good, and other person might be comfortable in English, might be knowing all the grammar rules and stuff, which of course sucks, because they might be knowing all the grammar rules but they won't be able to speak, right? So you can start chatting in English only, whether it's Facebook Messenger or Instagram or WhatsApp, whatever it is, right? And if somebody makes fun of yours, you can simply put a disclaimer, simply let them know that, dude or babe, whoever that is, I'm learning English, right? So even if I make mistakes, I'm comfortable with that. If you want to correct me, you can, but don't make fun of mine. And even if they make fun of yours, it's completely fine, right? All right. So number one thing, consumption. Number second thing is writing. And number third thing is your listening skills. I'm sorry, not listening. Listening thing is in the consumption thing. The third most important thing is speaking. Even if you practice for 5 to 10 minutes in a day, trust me, you can mark my words, I've already covered this thing in my videos also. If you start talking in English even for 5 to 10 minutes per day, you will see a significant improvement in your spoken English. Trust me, I have noticed it in my own English, right? Even if you do it for a week to 10 days, you will start feeling that, okay, English is now coming more natural to me. I'm feeling a bit more comfortable in English. Whenever I speak, I'm putting less effort. Of course, effort will be there, because in a matter of a week or 10 days, you are not going to become a fluent English speaker. Of course, it will take time, but you will see a big improvement in your spoken English in a matter of a week to 10 days only, right? So this actually works. Trust me, it has worked with me. My English was pathetic. I already made a video where I was rejected in a Hindi call center. It might sound weird to you, but yes, I was rejected in a Hindi call center because of my English. I was that pathetic in English, right? So try to make an environment. Consumption, writing, and speaking. Out of these three, speaking practice is the most important thing. It is the backbone, you can say, of practice of spoken English learning, right? Okay, so that's all. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up and share this video, because it might be helpful for others also. And if you are new to this channel, I always share tips, I always share things related to smartness, whichever make us smart. Whatever I share, it's my personal experience, whatever things have helped me and whatever new things I discover that are reliable, that work, I share all those things. So you can subscribe to my channel, and after subscribing, please don't forget to press the bell icon, because if you don't press the bell icon, you are not gonna receive updates related to my videos. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye. Keep practicing, man. Make an environment. Trust me, make an environment. Nothing else.